Hey guys, we just got this Motivera laser level. I get a lot of laser levels because we do a lot of excavating and transit stuff. So we're going to do something interesting with this today. This is the brand. It comes in a nice case. So it's called Motivera laser level. It's got a warranty with it. It's real small, and this is how small it is. And so we're going to test this outside today and see if we can use this as a transit laser on grades today and just see if it's bright enough. If not, it's not made for that really. So you just power this device on. It's got a power button, your battery light here. I do like the size of it. It's got a USB charging port. And then this is the laser. And you can see on the box out here in the bright sun that we definitely have a laser guide here. So the thing that is going to be most important is the distance that this thing will reach in the bright sunshine. On a cloudy day, it works best probably for grading, just when you're shooting those transits. But in a regular transit level like a Bosch, you're going to have a device that beeps at you when you're at grade. And so you don't need a cloudy day, but with something like this, you would need not so much sunshine. So let's talk a little bit about grading. Typically, you're going to have a 360 laser that is auto leveling. There's different companies that make them. We've got a Bosch, but we're going to use this particular laser level, just a standard laser level, to see if we can shoot a grade. Normally you have a grade stick. That's what we just call this, the stick that extends out. You could use a 2x4 and just mark on it, and I'm going to talk about that. But then we use a transmitter that sends a signal back to the laser level and basically gives us a beep if we're on track, or this particular one it'll show whether we need to go up or down. So with this particular the Motivera, we're going to try to use it as a laser level. So what we would do is we would initially find our mark on here, and we can see, I know you can't see it, but right here I can see it's 3 foot 3 inches. So, and that's at this point. So you want to find the point that you want to grade to. So either you need to come up or go down around the site here. And I can see behind me, we need to go up quite a bit if we're going to set it at this grade. So we're going to go back and we're going to just go to this point here and then find that. That's the problem with using a laser like this. Is there it is. So right here we're at 3 foot 3.5. So we're a ½ inch lower here than where we just marked back there. But you could do a 2x4, mark your initial grade with the Sharpies against the laser, and find out where, say you're doing a simple sidewalk. This is just a good hack, a DIY hack, using a cheap laser level instead of having to spend $1,000 on a new Bosch. And so you could take that, mark it on your 2x4, and then come to this point where you need to go, and then mark it again and see the difference, whether it went up. If it's below the Sharpies, it went up. If it's above the Sharpies, it went down. So it's opposite of what you would think. But so it would work on a cloudy day. This would work really, really good with just a regular stick. That's why they call it a stick. And then it got modified with different measurements so you could be more accurate. But we did a 6,000 square foot house I built by myself with my wife. We literally did everything. We did all the dirt work. You can see behind me, we're sitting up almost 1,000 feet off the road. And so you talk about grades and the importance of grades and being on virgin ground and everything else. It was a task that not a normal person could do. So we did that. We built it in less than 3 years. And like I said, it's almost over 6,000 square foot. So hope you enjoyed this video. We do a lot of homesteading. We do a lot of construction, DIY stuff. So electrical, plumbing, everything else that you can imagine. I'm just a DIYer myself. I'm not an expert. I don't own a construction company. So just take my thoughts with a grain of salt, or for what YouTube says, entertainment purposes only. But I can tell you these things do work, and you're going to be spot on if you just listen to the steps. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe.